Hello again, and welcome back to Taste Cabinet, where we uncover the fascinating world of herbs and spices, unlocking their secrets for health, flavour and vitality. Today we're diving into the enchanting herb called Fairywand, or Chamelerium luteum. Let's explore its story together. Fairywand isn't just known by this enchanting name. Depending on where you are or who you ask, it's also called false unicorn root, blazing star, devil's bit, or Helonias root. These names come from its distinctive appearance and the lore surrounding its traditional uses. So while fairy wand might sound magical, names like false unicorn root remind us of its historical connections to herbal remedies, especially for reproductive and hormonal health. Fairywand is not a culinary herb, so it doesn't have a strong flavour profile like rosemary or sumac. Instead, it has a mild, earthy, and slightly astringent taste, often used in teas or tinctures. Originating from North America, it thrives in damp woodlands and has long been cherished in Native American herbal traditions. Let's start with Fairywand tea, a simple way to enjoy its benefits. Here's what you'll need: dried fairywand root, water and your favourite mug. Add 1 teaspoon of dried fairywand root to a small pot. Pour in 1 cup of boiling water. Let it simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes. After it cools slightly, strain the tea into your mug. Feel free to add a bit of honey or lemon to mellow its earthy flavour. Sip this once or twice a day for its calming, balancing effects. Fairywand is best known for its role in supporting hormonal balance, especially for women. It's often called a female tonic for its ability to regulate menstrual cycles, reduce menopausal symptoms, and promote fertility. However, it's also helpful for men as it supports overall reproductive health. This herb is packed with plant-based compounds like saponins, which give it its health-boosting properties. While it's not a primary source of vitamins and minerals like kale or celery, its compounds work synergistically to support the endocrine system and reproductive health. Fairywand promotes balance in the endocrine system, which governs your hormones. This means it can help with issues like irregular cycles, hormonal acne, or even mood swings. It also strengthens the uterus, making it a favourite herb for those planning to conceive. Next, let's make a Fairywand tincture, a concentrated extract that's easy to use and lasts a long time. You'll need dried Fairywand root, a clean glass jar, and high-proof alcohol, like vodka. Fill a clean jar halfway with dried Fairywand root. Pour in enough vodka to cover the root completely, leaving a little space at the top. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking it gently every few days. After the steeping time is up, strain the mixture through a fine cloth into a dropper bottle. Use 10 to 15 drops in water or tea once or twice a day as needed. However, like all herbs, Fairywand isn't for everyone. Pregnant women should avoid it unless under the guidance of a healthcare professional, as it's known to stimulate uterine activity. It's also important to use it in moderation. Overuse can lead to mild digestive upset. Fairywand might not be the most famous herb, but it's a shining star in the world of natural health. From hormone balance to reproductive wellness, it's a plant worth knowing. Remember, always consult a professional before introducing new herbs into your routine. Have you tried Fairywand or another fascinating herb? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Taste Cabinet for more magical herbal insights. Once again, Thank you for watching. See you next time.